Not a lot of progress today. It was like 3 steps forward and 2 steps back. Just kept running into problems, ran into some more stumps, and the worst of all is where the blocks are now in this corner. There was a wall that I had to dig out, and this was the big culprit right here. That just took forever to get him out. Getting this corner started was probably the hardest part of this new wall. The rest of it shouldn't be too bad. But you know, if Murphy is around, he's going to be here. And he certainly was today. When the contractor was here, starting to put in the steps, because that existing old wall was there on the left side, he cut the blocks and the pavers to fit in between. Well, since I've taken the wall that was there out, I now have put in new blocks, new pavers, the right size. And this is tomorrow's problem, fitting the blocks into here. And you can see in the background here, we have another wall that I'm up against. And I'm hoping I don't have as much problems with it. Now I do have a lot of fill in here to take care of, but I'm sure we can handle that. This part of the wall that I put in was just put in there temporary so I could put the steps in. I do realize it will be completely adjusted, and it has to be adjusted accordingly to the way it's going to meet up from down there. I plan on putting another wall across here to this wall, because if we build it up as high as what this wall is, that's a lot of fill. So we made an executive decision that there will be a little wall in between there.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.